most important is this part in the website. There's a counter. Always will show you when is the next lesson. So the next lesson is tomorrow, it's in 21 hours. This is the most important place to look in the website. The second important place is the RSVP. Now here you can click on the menu bar on the top on RSVP, and it will take you and show you all the next lessons coming. For example, we have tomorrow another one about grapes, and then we have on the 22nd about Aramaic, and then we have a virtual tour about West Bank coming. And if you want to book anything here, you go to RSVP, you click on it, and then you go to register now, and you just put your name and your last name, and then you put your email, and then you submit. And when you submit, you receive a message to your own email. And what I recommend you to remember it, add to calendar. Click this button. It will come to your calendar. You can choose which calendar you use. Most people use Google Calendar. And then it will come on your calendar. In this way, you will not forget the lesson, and you save it, okay? And then also, another third most important thing on the menu on the top, when you click in new courses, there are 4 bars that come down: free courses, live courses, paid courses, virtual tours. Now, if you click free courses here, you're going to have a lot of lessons. There are more than 30 lessons, and it gets gradually updated every week. We add free lessons here. For example, there are virtual Bible studies. If you click here, virtual Bible study, we will find different Bible studies with different subjects, and we keep adding more Bible studies here. And when you go next, you're going to go to other free courses and a lot of lessons to learn. Now, the second bar menu down is live courses. When you click live courses, this is the live lessons and courses we're doing interactive. And the live interactive lessons are paid courses, and they happen every Saturdays. The bottom line, everything free takes place on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Israel time, and Fridays at 3 p.m. Israel time. But the paid courses takes place, especially the interactive ones, both at every Saturday at 6 p.m. Israel time, and we adding virtual tours at 8 p.m. So again, the free courses are Thursdays and Fridays, and the paid courses are on Saturdays. Now, also, you can join the live courses. You just do book now, and you get these courses. Now, the third important thing is the paid courses. Here, we're gonna keep updating courses, add more courses. Now, there's a course about the geography of the Bible, 8 lessons. There's the weekly Torah portions, and there's my Aramaic class. Now, for the geography, for example, of the Bible, 8 lessons, you put join now, and you buy the course. And what happens when you buy the course, you can see all the recorded lessons. Now, this is not interactive, it's all recorded. And I'm gonna log in and show you how to use the recorded lessons. I will log with my email. So here you have all the lessons. You have lesson number 1, the coastal plain. Then you do next step comes lesson number 2, the lowland. Then lesson number 3, lesson number 4. And you can watch it from any tablet, from your iPhone, anytime you want. And I want to show you another paid course that Tony has done, which is the weekly Torah portions. And When you buy it, you can go and watch it anytime. So this is the introduction. It's around 1 hour. And then you watch, you click continue here. They watch every lesson. This Torah portion is from Genesis, the beginning. This is really good teaching if you want to understand how the Jews read the scripture, completely different than Christians. Then you go to the next step, lesson number 2. You do complete when you finish. And then you go next step, lesson number 3, and you continue all the lessons down. And what's something new we added is virtual tours. If you click on the 4th bar of the new courses, virtual tours, and you're gonna have an option of around 9 tours. We're gonna keep adding on them. And what is unique here, you can choose any tour you want. This is a live virtual tour that will take place every Saturday at 8 p.m. And the cost per person is only $20. But we have minimum 10 people. And for example, exploring the Dome of the Rock, if you click on it, then a menu will come, and then you go to register now.
It's interactive live.
Yeah, it's an interactive live. We take you into this vicinity and virtually, as if you are in Jerusalem. We take you to places that as tourists can't go inside, through a virtual tour with videos, with pictures, and a lot of information. And then you register how many people is attending, for example, 2, and you check out. We will inform you every week. There will be a virtual tour, and whenever we have 10 people, we will inform you when it will take place. And for example, there is the Herodion coming soon with the new discoveries, and there is the Hebron and the cave of the Machpelah also. And there's Gaza Strip if you need to learn more about Gaza. Also, the Garden of Gethsemane here. And again, the virtual tours will take you to the site itself with explaining about the site. So, and the most important button, if you had paid for any course, have to log in order, if you bought the course, in order to see it and use it. It's very important. I'll show you how to log in. It's so simple. You just click the button. And if you did not sign up before, you have to sign up. If you signed up before, you log in. And after you log in with your name and password, it will give you access to everything you bought. For example, in the paid courses, you don't have to buy it. You see, it's view now. You only view it, okay? You view the course. So, and one more thing, share this with your friends and share it on Facebook and share it on your social media, because we will work mostly from word to mouth and share about these free virtual tours on Zoom from Israel, so that more people will join and more people will be blessed. And thank you so much, and see you soon.